Got to take something from the fact that they did cause Chelsea some problems for about 35 minutes, but it's the build on that, knowing that Man United will be coming at them and to try and see if they can continue to create while Man United are trying to get at them.
Yeah, I mean, it's that first attack from United. That...
Again, being both involved in the 18. It's actually the same 18 as it was at Turf Moor.
Makes him wait for that one. James then tries to find Martial. Daniel James just not able to take the ball in. Taken. What we're trying to do is there. The moment this changes, he won't play. For him, Kolasinac is onside. The low cross, back post, Pepe 1-0. Nicola Pepe. It's his third Premier League goal of the season, and he is second from open play for Arsenal's record signing. And the Gunners lead by a goal to nil.
Well, you're not going to see this on the replay because it happened a little bit before, but that all started from Ozil tracking back in the right back position, winning the ball, putting it inside to Xhaka. The ball eventually got switched out to that left.
Maitland-Niles with the cross. Continues his run to the penalty area. Lovely cross to the outside of the boot, and Luke Shaw has to deal with it. Throw in. Ozil tried the return ball, leave the club in January. Martial. Asic. Ozil got in the way. That's off Martial. Onto his right foot. Chip towards the back post, and Shaw allows it to run through.
Yeah, Pepe's putting his hand up the far post. He did well to finish 12.
A rare blip. Crossed by... that time by Lingard. Here's Martial towards the byline. It's good covering. Long ball here as Marcus Rashford on his bike. That's composed defending by Maitland-Niles. Space for Pepe in the Beanwood. Post. Aubameyang stands it up. De Gea looking to make amends. Pepe almost went down on the edge of the penalty area as well. What a cross that was. Retrieved by Aubameyang. And he tried to find Ozil without a goal since April. Beautifully done. Maitland-Niles. Harry Maguire.
Wouldn't you?
Pepe into the near post, the flicked header. Surely 2-0 it is. Socrates. It's been all Arsenal in this first half. I think De Gea initially made a save from a point-blank header, but Socrates smashed home the rebound. And it's Arsenal 2, Manchester United 0. Problems for Ole Gunnar Solskjaer.